Imagine a merchandise planner or category manager at a grocery retail chain, preparing promotions for the upcoming week. Each week, hundreds of products compete for flyer advertisement space and shopper attention. The goal: select products that not only sell well on their own, but also lift overall store performance through complementary sales. That's where Daisy's retail platform comes in. Daisy uses autonomous AI and deep retail analytics to guide planners in selecting, pricing, and positioning the right mix of products every week, maximizing total store impact while respecting business constraints. Let's walk through how it works. Product selection based on ranking, constraints, and pricing. We start in the list view, where all available products for the upcoming promotion period are displayed, organized by category and subcategory. Here, Daisy's AI ranks products not only on their sales potential, but also their ability to drive incremental associated sales through what we call the halo effect. For instance, if we're evaluating pasta sauce, Daisy understands that shoppers purchasing this are likely planning a full pasta meal. So it automatically surfaces associated products like ground beef, shredded cheese, or fresh toppings, all of which tend to see an uplift when the sauce is promoted. These are shown as associated products, and Daisy tracks their contribution as associated sales. Each product is color-coded to indicate its promotional value. Green and yellow products are strong halo drivers, meaning they increase associated sales when promoted. Red products have minimal halo impact and are less effective promotion candidates. When you click into a specific product, Daisy also provides an optimized promotional price recommendation, along with a price ladder. The price ladder shows GM%, along with forecasted quantities that will sell for each. This allows planners to see how different price points could influence volume, margin, and associated sales before finalizing a decision. To ensure business objectives are met, you can also apply custom constraints. For instance, you might require a minimum number of promoted items from each department, say 5 from grocery, 3 from meat, and 2 from dairy. Daisy instantly adjusts its recommendations to satisfy these requirements, ensuring that every flyer or promotional event meets strategic priorities. Once Daisy has generated its recommendations, you move to the selection view. Here, the AI-selected products are displayed for review. Planners can make manual adjustments, adding or removing SKUs based on supplier deals, inventory levels, marketing priorities, or upcoming expirations. You can also expand the STQ metrics to review historical sales performance over last year, last 4 weeks, or last promoted periods. This allows you to validate AI recommendations using real sales data. This step preserves human oversight. Daisy's AI provides intelligent recommendations, but the final decision always rests with your team. After selections are finalized, we move to the forecast view. This report shows detailed forecast metrics for each promoted product, including forecasted sales quantity, forecasted sales dollars, forecasted gross margin, and associated sales impact from halo effects. This view also highlights historical price trends and price elasticity for each SKU, giving you the analytical context to fine-tune promotional pricing. It's a powerful way to support every decision with data-driven evidence before launching the flyer. Next is the promo summary view, which compares your actual Daisy rank to the best Daisy rank. The best Daisy rank represents Daisy's ideal optimization, the highest possible score if you select all recommended products. The actual Daisy rank reflects your current selection, including any manual changes or business-driven adjustments. This comparison gives planners immediate insight into how closely their selections align with Daisy's optimal recommendations. It also visualizes the color-coded product distribution, emphasizing that choosing more green and yellow products leads to stronger promotional performance. Now let's move to the flyer and promotion layout view. Each product's flyer placement, such as front, back, or inside page, is actually optimized in the list view itself as part of Daisy's analysis. This means that by the time you reach this screen, Daisy has already calculated which placement will deliver the greatest visibility and return. Here, you can simply review and make final adjustments, ensuring the layout aligns with marketing guidelines before passing it on to the design team. This keeps the entire promotion planning process integrated, from selection to pricing to placement, all driven by data. In the usage comparison dashboard, Daisy demonstrates the impact of following its recommendations in real-world promotional weeks. This view shows a comparison between a bad week and a good week of product selection. A bad week versus a good week is defined by how close the actual Daisy rank is as compared to the best Daisy rank. On the left, we see a bad week, where 366 products were selected for promotion. On the right, we see a good week, where only 259 products were promoted. The comparison highlights the percent distribution of color-coded products, showing the mix of green, yellow, and red selections, along with the best versus actual Daisy rank graph. Weeks that follow Daisy's recommended green/yellow mix perform significantly better. To show a visual comparison that clearly demonstrates how adherence to Daisy's optimization leads to more efficient and impactful promotional performance, we'll look at the total store impact of these 2 weeks in the next view. On the left is the bad week of selection, with TSI of $2.42 million. On the right is the good week of selection, with TSI of $3.16 million. Despite promoting fewer products, the Good Week achieved a significantly higher total store impact, proving that Daisy's color-coded AI recommendations work, prioritizing quality of selection over quantity. This is the measurable proof that Daisy drives higher returns with smarter, data-led decision-making. In summary, Daisy transforms the way grocery retailers plan weekly promotions and pricing. By combining AI-driven analytics with human expertise, Daisy delivers optimized product selection and pricing, data-backed ad placement, and measurable total store growth. With Daisy, your merchandising and planning teams gain the intelligence and confidence to make every promotional week more effective, driving higher sales, stronger margins, and a smarter path to retail success. Thanks, Daisy. You made my work simple, smooth, and surprisingly fast.